Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. You can see with the key fob here I can operate both power sliding doors and the power rear trunk hatch, so that's a nice option to have. This ramp here is manual, very easy to do. I can grab this handle, I can take this down using my index finger here, okay? I'd estimate it takes about 10 pounds of pressure, not as light as a lot of our conversions, but still not hard to do. 32-inch wide ramp, 56 inches of headroom coming in the door, 58 inches inside the van. Got your spare tire there, 8 tie down points, so you can get a gurney or a stretcher in the van. Headliner looks great, rear air, spare there, like I said. These seats are actually flip base seats, so let me show you. I need, ignore that was done this weekend by one of my nieces. But anyways, let me show you these flip base seats here. To do these flip base seats, all we got to do here is pull. It'll fold down, and then underneath the seat you got to pull that lever forward while lifting the seat. So I need 2 hands to do this, but it's very easy to do. So very easy to do. They flip up on their sides out of the way. The chair can get all the way up to the front of the canal there, so really easy to do. The rest of the interior is very clean. The dash looks great. Got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, you can sync your phone, plug your auxiliary cord in there. Dual climate control, rear air, very nice center console. And hey, if you want to use this van for a taxi cab and you're going to be opening the doors a lot, all you got to do is push off. These doors all now become manual sliding doors. So you can have them electric or you can have them manual, all with the touch of a button. So we do give a free set of pull tight, Q straight, and tie downs away with each van. When you got everybody secure, come back out. Put the ramp back up and in. You can shut it here with the power door, or you can just give her a good slam. So quick walk around to the van. It has tinted windows in the rear, alloy wheels, got the Yokohama tires on. All of them are between about 5 and 30 seconds, so they're not brand new. They still got a little bit of life left on them, probably the original tires that were on this van. But a nice looking van, been well taken care of. It's hard to find a dent or scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's very clean, been very well taken care of. The paint still shines. You know, so it shows a few small signs of wear here and there, but they're sure hard to find. I'm not even sure if the camera would pick up any, small. I have to really search for any small scratches or dings. The roof looks good. And we always show you the VIN number. That way you know we've got this vehicle in our possession there. Speaking of that VIN number, we've got a free Carfax report with every one of our vehicles. You can see this one has 2 previous owners, shows minor damage. I'm going to show that to you. As I scroll down, Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. Never been a total loss. No structural damage, no frame damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. I'm going to scroll down here. It does show in August of 2018, so 3 years ago, suffered minor damage to the rear. Carfax notates minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. So maybe they backed into a pole in a parking lot, or maybe someone ran into, bumped into them, but just a minor body work, maybe a bumper was painted or something like that. Certainly no cause for alarm. So you can check that out as thorough as you like, but we want to show you that Carfax. Another great feature this van has is that auto start. And don't think auto start is just something for the winter time. Of course, it's nice to come out to defrosted windows and everything, nice and warm, but also in the summertime, it's real nice to come out to nice air-conditioned, cooled leather seats. Makes life a lot easier. So auto start's a great feature to have. We do have the 1 key fob. If you want to get additional key fobs made, those are generally $199. Let us know on your dime. Got a power driver's seat. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. When I go to turn the van on, got to put the key in. You can see there's no, all the dummy lights work. There's no check engine lights. Current miles are 41,000 and some change. Very clean inside and out. Got the backup camera like I mentioned. And we test everything big and small. We've tested the power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise. I've got 3 mechanics that work solely for me. I employ 3 mechanics. We do not just throw these vehicles on the lot. Their service is very thorough. We've even got the rear vents back here. You see those vents even work back there. So we pushed every button on this van. And let me pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. No signs of any leaks. No signs of any rust from a flood or anything like that. Got our emissions control sticker right there as well. And as I crawl underneath the van, very much of the same. Look how clean this is. I don't see any signs of any dent or bent metal. I don't see any signs of any leaks. I don't see any signs of any flood damage or anything like that. You know, and that's the #1 mistake people make when used car shopping. They assume things. They assume because a van looks nice in pictures. They assume because it only has 40,000 miles on it. You know, they assume because the salesman was nice to them. They automatically assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out underneath. And nothing could be further from the truth. When you assume things, you're leaving yourself up for a huge disappointment. And go look at my competition's website. Go ahead and look at them. Go check them out. How many pictures do you see underneath the van? Do they have a video underneath the van? Do you see them driving the van? How do you know when you show up it's not going to have flood damage, you know? So don't assume things. If you're going to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a mobility van, whoever's selling it to you, tell them to get off their behind, get out there and make a video so you can see exactly what you're getting so there's no surprises. And if they won't do that, who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? So don't assume things. I've been doing this 10 years. People get burned on every day on the internet. Don't be one of them, all right? So let's get the van on a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on a test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, you don't have to assume, you know this van runs and drives good, steering wheel's nice and straight, tracks nicely down the highway, exactly what we want in a used vehicle. With all that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. We highly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go all the way from 90 days up to about 8 years, so in everywhere in between. You know, protect your investment, folks. This van does still meet the specs for the 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, so that should still be in effect through Dodge. But also keep in mind, nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. Like I said, we got Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, detailed descriptions, detailed video. Nobody goes as far as we do, so you know exactly what you're getting. Also keep in mind, we've got a great reputation. Last I saw on Google reviews, 4.8 out of 5 stars. That's great. On eBay, I saw we have over 800 reviews. Everybody left us positive feedback. That's 800 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. And also be aware of those bogus fees out there. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online, and they've got a $500 document fee, and they got a tag fee, and they got freight and administrative fees. Not to mention they don't offer free shipping like we do. Next thing you know, that real nice price after you add all their fees and all their shipping in is about $3,000 more than what's listed on the internet. My point is, if someone's telling me a van's $30,000, other than sales tax, Uncle Sam's got to get his cut. But if they tell me it's $30,000, it needs to be $30,000, not $31,500 after all the fees. If someone's not being honest and upfront about the real price of a vehicle, you know, what else are they hiding from you? Nice hard brake here. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. AC works great today, thank God. It's hot and humid. But my point, back to the point of fees, you know, if dealers aren't being upfront with you about the price, about the real price, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding accidents, mechanical issues, flood damage, a salvage title? You know, I don't know. But I just know if someone's not being upfront from the start, there's probably some other things they're hiding, you know? If you do want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to call the competition, VMI, Braun Companies, Freedom Motors, Mobility Works, United Access. Ask them, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number. See what they say, because I am committed enough. You have my cell phone number. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email. If you're old school and you're not real computer savvy, that's okay. Give us a call. We'll take an application over the phone. We are here to help. We do take trade-ins. Talk to me about how that would work across the country. We've made it happen. We can make it happen. And I just wanted to thank you for checking out our van, and thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, www.mobility316.com. Thanks for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.